Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our classes. We are starting term 2 classes. Term 1 already we have completed. After that we have taken some break for Dussehra. How did you celebrate your Dussehra festival? Okay. So shall we start class today? We will start lessons with English class. The name of the lesson is The Moon. Have you observed moon at night? Daily moon won't look same, no? Sometimes it looks thin, sometimes it looks only half, and sometimes it is full moon. Yes or no? Have you observed? Have you all observed at night? If not, today, from today you observe, okay? This is crescent moon. Only like it is, this shape is called crescent, okay? I have shades, some shades on the board, look here. Like this moon changes its shape from crescent moon to half moon to full moon. Again after full moon, it looks like a crescent moon, okay? Now I will read the poem. You just look into your books. Otherwise, repeat after me. Okay? Oh, look at the moon. Where will you see the moon? In the sky. So, oh, look at the moon. She is shining up there. Oh, mother, she looks like a lamp in the air. Last week, she was smaller and shaped like a bow. But now she is grown bigger and is round like an O. Have you observed the moon? Okay, if not, you observe it today, okay? Now from the lesson, you first read the lesson and pick some rhyming words. We have here, there, soon, bout, books. First read the lesson, you find the same sound words. There means air, soon means moon. Like that you underline those and write it in your textbooks. Okay. Second bit I am giving it on the board. Look at the board and note it down in your notebooks. Add ing. Here we have some words. We have to add ing and write it. Read this word. What is this word? Elbow. Okay. Look. Add ing. Elbow, okay. Ing. Looking. See. Seeing. S-E-E. I-N-G. Seeing. Sit. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Sitting. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Stand. Standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing. Study. Studying. S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G. Studying. Eat. Eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. Wait. Waiting. W-A-I-T-I-N-G. Waiting. Give. Giving. G-I-V-I-N-G. Instead of E, we have to write I-N-G. Giving. Take. Taking. Instead of E, we have to write I. T-A-K-I-N-G. Taking. Okay? Look, looking. See, seeing. Sit, sitting. Sleep, sleeping. Stand, standing. Study, studying. Eat, eating. Wait, waiting. Give, giving. Take, taking. the board. Put cross against odd. What is the meaning of the odd? Here we have some words in each row. Look at the words. What is the different word? That is the odd one. We have to cross it. First read it. Father, mother, boy, son. Father, mother, son. These are relations, no? So boy is different. So cross it. Put a cross mark. Okay? Next, second one. Bench, flower, desk, chair. Which is the different one? Bench, desk, chair. All these items are furniture. Flower is different. So put cross. This is the odd one. Third one. Fish, dog, cat, cow. Dog, cat, cow. These three are land animals. Fish is water animal. So this is the odd one. Cross fish. Next one. Green, blue, water, white. Green, blue, white. All these are colors. Water is different. So this is the odd one. Cut it. Next one. Hen, book, duck, pigeon. All these are birds. Hen, duck, pigeon. Book is different one. So cross the odd one. We have so many in the line. Up to 10 you have. So rest of the things you have to try it on your own. Okay. Now look here. Answer the following questions. First read the question. Next write down the answer. What does the moon look like? The moon looks like a lamp in the air. One more time I will repeat. The moon looks like a lamp in the air. Second question. When the moon was small, what was her shape? Moon looked like a bow when she was smaller. What is the shape? It looks like a bow. Moon looked like a bow when she was smaller. Third question. When the moon grows bigger, what is her shape? Answer. When the moon grows bigger, it is round like an O. When the moon grows bigger, it is round like an O. You have some pictures to color in your textbook. Write these question answers and color those pictures. Welcome to Maths class, children. In today's class, we are learning addition. Before that, you have to revise whatever we have learned in term 1. Got it? We have learned place values, expanded forms, additions. Okay, additions we will do it now. Look at the board. 4 in the mind, 2 on fingers. Means open 2 fingers. After 4, 5, 6. Write it down. 3 in the mind, open 6 fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down 9. Answer is 9, 6, 96. Next one. 2 in the mind, open 6 fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 1, 2, 3. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 1, 4 in the mind, open 1 finger. After 4, 5. 4 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 4, 5, 6. Write down 6 here. Now 6 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8, 5, 85. Next, 4 in the mind, open 9 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 3, 13. Where we have to write 13? You are writing like this. This is not correct. You have to write 1 in tens place, 3 in ones place. Okay. Now add all these 3. 1 plus 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 7, 8, 9. Same. 7 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 7, 8, 9. Answer is 993. Next, 9 in the mind, open 2 fingers. After 9, 10, 11. 1 in tens place, 1 in ones place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the mind, open 3 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer is 841. Practice these additions, okay?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Hindi class. After a long time, we are starting our classes. Okay, now I am going to teach you O ki matra words. Okay children, look here, I have given you some words. This is O ki matra words. You have to practice well, okay? Read and write. Pula, pull. Tula, la की आपकी मात्रा है ना इधर, ला, तुला. बुलबुल, बा, ओ की मात्रा, ला. अगेन बा, ओ की मात्रा, ला. बुलबुल. कुला, कुल. धूला, इधर आ की मात्रा है, धूला, दूल्हा. चुनमुन, सुन. सा की ओ की मात्रा, एन्ना, सुन. खुला, खा, उ की मात्रा, ला, आ की मात्रा, खुला, खुला. दुल, मुल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, धुन. खुला. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, मुन, मुन. मुन, मुन. नेक्स्ट, चुन. सुख. सा, ओ की मात्रा, ख, सुख. चुपचाप. चा, ओ की मात्रा, प. चा, आ की मात्रा, प. चुपचाप. Okay children, practice these words and now you have to practice paragraph reading also children. Repeat after me. Kusum kurpala. गुड़ाई कर गुलाब की डाली मत हिला. सुमन सुबह उठकर दातुन कर. दातुन मीन्स ब्रश. ओके, दातुन कर. फिर बुलबुल का गाना सुन. मुनमुन कुटिया पर जा. खुली हवा खा. चुनमुन धुलमुल मत कर. मुकुट पहनकर राजा बन. Okay children, practice this paragraph reading and practice these words also. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు క్లాస్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు మీరందరూ? ఓకే, హాలిడేస్ ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారా? ఓకే, ఈ రోజు నుండి మనం తెలుగు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈ రోజు మనం చెప్పుకోబోయే లెసన్ తా, తావత్తు. ఇదేంటి? సెకండ్ థా, థావత్తు మీద పదాలు, వచ్చు పదాలను నేర్చుకున్నాం. లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఘీ, గాకి గుడిస్తే ఘీ, తాకి తావత్తిస్తే తా, గిత్తా అని గట్టిగా ఒత్తి పెట్టి పలకాలి. ఓకేనా? తావత్తు వచ్చింది కదా, గీతా అనకూడదు, గిత్తా. నెక్స్ట్ కా, తాకి ఏ పంపిస్తే తే, తేకి తావత్తు రా, కత్తెరా. పు, స్తా, కా, ము, పుస్తకము. నా, తాకి తావత్తు నత్త. చా, చాకి ఏ ధ్వమిస్తే ఛే, తాకి తావత్తు చెత్త. ఆ, తాకి తావత్తిస్తే తా, అత్త. సాకి కొమ్మిస్తే సు, తాకి గుడిస్తే తి, తీకి తావత్తు సుత్తి. మా, తు, మత్తు. సా, తి, సత్తి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సాకి కొమ్ముంది, సు, తి, సుత్తి. సా, తి, సత్తి. కా, తి, కత్తి. ఇక్కడ వరకు తావత్తు పదాలు అయిపోయినాయి. ఫస్ట్ తావత్తు. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ థావత్తు. థావత్తు మీద వచ్చు పదాలు చూద్దాం. ఆ, రాకి థావత్తు ము, అర్ధము. మనం ఒత్తి పెట్టి పలకాలి. థా, తా, థా. ఓకేనా? అర్ధము. సాకి గుడిస్తే సి, సికి థావత్తు రా, ము, స్థిరము. స్థా, సాకి తావత్తిస్తే స్థా, పా, తి, స్థపతి. స్థపతి అంటే ఏంటి? శిల్పి. ఓకేనా? సాకి దీర్ఘమిస్తే సా, సాకి థావత్తు నా, అణాకేముంది? కొమ్ము. ను, వు, స్థాణువు. స్థాణువు అంటే శివుడు. ఓకేనా? మీరందరూ ఇవన్నీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నోట్బుక్ లో నీట్ గా రాయండి. హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ డైలీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.